Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowledge on Your Tips. In this video, I will discuss about MCOM entrance test previous year questions and also some important MCQ. This video is very important for preparing common PG entrance test. Number 1. Current ratio is 2:5. Current liabilities 30,000. Then find out net working capital. Option are 18,000 minus 18,000, 45,000 minus 45,000. Correct answer is minus 18,000. Calculating net working capital is equal to current asset minus current liabilities. Question number 2. GATT is established in 1947 under German leadership, US leadership, France leadership, UK leadership. Correct answer is US leadership. GATT is stand for General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. Question 3. Assets are held for the purpose of resale, conversion to cash, earning revenue, making substance. Correct answer is asset. Asset is one resources for business making revenue. Question 4. The cost of one thing in terms of the alternative is given is called real cost, production cost, physical cost, opportunity cost. Correct answer is opportunity cost. Question 5. The first bank managed by India, Punjab National Bank, Oud Bank, State Bank of India, Yes Bank. Correct answer is Oud Bank. Question 6. A decrease in the provision for doubtful debt would result in increase in liability, a decrease in working capital, a decrease in net profit, a increase in net profit. Correct answer is a increase in net profit. Question 7. A person who offers informal reviews or advices about specific category is known as associate leader, inspiration leader, opinion leader, group leader. Correct answer is opinion leader. Question 8. A process by which we estimate the value of dependent variable on the basic correlation, regression, residual slope. Correct answer is regression. A dash would be an example of principal and while dash would be an example of an agent. Option are shareholder manager, manager owner, accountant bondholder, shareholder bondholder. Correct answer is shareholder manager. Shareholder act as a principal, manager act as a agent. Question 10. The sum of the deviation above the mean is always range 0, total deviation positive. Correct answer is 0. Question 11. The person who is represented by the agent is called the principal, middleman, surety, none of the above. Correct answer is principal. Question 12. The share received from new company is recorded at face value, market value, average value, fair value. Correct answer is market value. Question 13. The number of components in a time series is 4, 3, 5, 6. Correct answer is 3. Trend, seasonal, irregular. Question 14. How many companies are included in Sensex? 30, 50, 100, 25. Correct answer is 30. Question 15. Planning is looking ahead and controlling is scanning environment, looking back, setting target, defining objectives. Correct answer looking back. Question 16. Statistical software package for research in social science include SPSS, STATA, Minitab, all of the above. Correct answer all of the above. Question 17. Depreciation follows which accounting concept? Historical concept, matching concept, money measurement concept, going concern concept. Correct answer is matching concept. Question 18. How are principles of management are formed? Option are by rule of thumb, by observation and experimentation, by experience of customer, by experiment in science laboratory. Correct answer is by observation and experimentation. Question 19. The dash on equity share is not cumulative. Option are profit, dividend, loss, reserve. Correct answer is dividend. Question 20. Dividend from an Indian company is fully taxable, partly taxable, fully exempted, partly exempted. Correct answer is fully exempted. Question 21. What does price flooring mean? Shortage, surplus, equilibrium, none of the above. Correct answer is surplus. Question 22. XYZ Limited purchase consideration is rupees 12,345 and net asset value 3,568. Then goodwill is 8,777, capital reserve 8,777, goodwill 15,913, none of the above. The correct answer is goodwill rupees 8,777 because goodwill is calculated by purchase consideration minus net asset value. To question number 27. If the sample size increases, then sampling error decreases, increases, remain constant, none of the above. The correct answer is decreases. Question 24. Henry Powell, Abdul Taylor belongs to which of following school of management? Neoclassical, modern school, classical school, none of the above. Correct answer is classical school. Question 25. What the term refers to the knowledge, education, training, skills and expertise of a farm worker? Human resources, human capital, intangible asset, knowledge asset. Correct answer is human capital. Question 26. Which segment do eBay Amazon.com belongs to? Business to business, business to customer, customer to business, customer to customer. Correct answer is B2C, means business to customer. Question 27. Which of following is not considered a type of reseller? Wholesaler, retailer, distributor, manufacturer. Correct answer is manufacturer. Question 28. The primary goal of the financial management is to maximize the return, to maximize risks, to maximize the wealth of the owner, to maximize profit. Correct answer is to maximize the wealth of owner. Question 29. The kind of audit is conducted generally between two annual audit is internal audit, final audit, interim audit, continuous audit. Correct answer is interim audit. Question 30. In India, the GST is a dual model of UK, Canada, USA, China. The correct answer is Canada. So, thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon in next video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for regular video and also share the videos because sharing is caring.